Hi, welcome back. I hope you enjoyed your first day. Wanted to go over today's assignments. So the very first thing is first remember your checklist. You have 2 tasks I'd like you to try to do today. Notice again they are hyperlinked because they have the little arrow there. The other thing I wanted to remind you of is your target question. I want you to go into the Google Classroom slides and find your target question for the day, type it into this box, and then at the end, you'll have a chance to go ahead and reflect on that by answering the question. Okay, your first task today is the name collage. So this is just a collage. Again, this is going to be shared in a slide show that everybody will have access to so we can get to know each other. So I'm going to kind of go over the rules for you. The first is that you're going to choose a word that starts with the same sound as your first name, an alliteration. So for instance, Joking Jeff or Caring Christy. Notice that Caring Christy does not start with the same letter, it starts with the same sound. So you get to choose this. I want it to be the same sound, so it's an alliteration. The next thing is your name word should be centered on the page, on the paper, or the Google slide, I guess I should say, and it can be your favorite color. You can choose up to 2 colors. And honestly, it says no more than 2. I would be okay if you did it as many colors as you want, as long as we can read it with the background. And then the next page is that you should really try to cover the page as the best you can. So I'm going to go over, just in case this is not familiar to you, how to enter images. So the very first thing you're going to do is you're going to click on the little mountain picture and you're going to click Insert Image. That's what it should say when you click on it. Once you click on it, you're going to notice it says you have the choice of upload from the computer or search the web. You'll want to choose search the web. Then on the right side of the page, you're going to notice that it says, comes up with a little search bar in a window, and it's a Google image search. So once you do that, you're going to type in a word. So for instance, the word popcorn. You can see that lots of different things come up. You can just push enter, or you can choose one of the things that come up for you. Once you do that, you're going to see a bunch of images. You can kind of see them over here. I've clicked this particular image of the popcorn and I'm going to click on it. Once I click on it, then I'm going to click insert. Once I do that, it's going to take a second to think, but then it's going to show up on your page and you can go through and you can choose what it's going to look like, resize it, move the area, all of those kinds of things. So here are some examples I wanted to show you. So you have one up in the upper corner there. It says Rock and Raynell. And notice that it's got Rock and Raynell. The favorite color must be blue. And then you can see all of the images. Notice how there's really not many labels or anything. The idea is that we will get a chance to share these out. The next one over says Rowdy Rick. That's just written in black. So either he didn't want to do the favorite colors or black is his favorite color. And then you can see he's used clip art, kind of like what you guys will be doing. He used clip art and did all sorts of different images, but he's also labeled it. You probably can't see it very well, but right down here, there's a word, there's a word. So he's labeled it as well. And then we have Jazzy Jordan. I can tell her favorite color is pink. And when we did this with paper, she used these are actual photos of her. And then it looks like a magazine clipping and things. And she has a few words. Here's the word fashion, the word shopping. So you can do any of these that you would like, and it's going to help you out. Once you finish putting together your collage, you can go ahead and move on to the next video to see the next task for today.